Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, if you remember, our task on the previous week was to estimate the direction of the possible market action, because this was really a significant bounce to the downside, and initially we thought that this might be a real continuation of that move, because that leg was really choppy and sloppy and very slow develops to the upside, and that was really a fast move that in fact engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost the previous week to the upside. Very often that moves could become the real continuation down. And when market stance bounce to the upside, we said, well, that is generally acceptable, it's reasonable retracement, but if market is really bearish, it should not pass through the significant levels. But that has happened. So market has passed through the confidence resistance on the 4-hour time frame, through the major 618 resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart, and currently it's very difficult to accept the thought that this is really just a retracement. Theoretically, some anemic chances still exist that this action could turn to the butterfly, but it's not very I'm not very believe with it, because that's not the point is not only with the breaking through the levels on the 4-hour time frame chart, but also with the speed. So take a look, that market now starting to show the real acceleration compared to this leg. These two candles even faster than that one, and any retracement should develop a bit different. This is not the retracement action. So I think that on the 70% we have accomplished our task to estimate the direction, and probably the direction should follow to the upside. A trend here is bullish. Market is not at overbought. As you can see, level of overbought stands right here. One of the obvious development that market could show here is ABCD pattern to the upside. The target of the ABCD pattern stands at 136.85 approximately. Well, in general, that looks like the bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly time frame that has approximately the same target, is around 136.70, 136.80. What is interesting here is that market hasn't tested yet the monthly pivot point since the starting of the November. That's November 1st. As you can see, market hasn't touched the weekly pivot point, and we know that market usually gravitates to the pivots and trying to test it within the trading period, within the month. That also works as some attractive area for price action. Market has some gravitation to the pivot points as well. So I suspect that and I think that current market is more bullish rather than bearish, and we could try to join this upward action, and then let's see what will happen. Hopefully and fortunately we have some pattern, at least some setup that could give us the pattern that really could significantly minimize our risk of taking the long position, or even to get us the zero risk. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, that is our big ABCD, particularly the BC leg that we see here. Take a look that the target of this ABCD, the minor target, stands right here, 618 extension, 135.73, and it stands slightly lower than this swing high. It means that very probable that stops that have been placed above this high will survive at the first touch of this pattern, and market will not show the acceleration to the upside, but could show some minor retracement as the respect of this target. At the same time, we have the weekly pivot point right here, is 135.10 approximately, and take a look, two levels, 134.97, 134.60 area approximately. But as market will proceed slightly higher, since these levels are based on the most recent high, this is the focus number, as this could shift a bit higher, then the levels also will drift slightly higher, and probably the 38 point level will agrees will coincide with the weekly pivot point. If, of course, market will start retracement right from that area. This could happen anything, so market just could open right above this. It's also possible. Well, but based on this picture, this shows that market has chances to reach this area and start move to the downside, some retracement prior to the breakout of this high and prior to the taking out of the stops that have been placed here. If this really will happen, then our primary level to watch was 135.10 area, this weekly pivot support one, and that could be the setup of the bread and butter buy. That's why we could take the position with the minimum risk. This thrust is acceptable because that retracement is not the 3.8 to the whole move. This is very small retracement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bars to the upside. Maybe it will be 10th bar. Okay. So this thrust in general acceptable for the bread and butter buy on the forward time frame chart. Appearing of the bread and butter buy, if markets will confirm it, give us the chance to move our stop to the break-even when market will start move to the minimum target of the bottom bread and butter. We know that minimum target of the bread and butter will be the 618 resistance of the whole move to the downside, of the whole retracement to the downside, and this always gets the chance for the traders to move stop to the break-even. Because if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, the bread and butter could become really the pattern that will trigger the continuation to the upside. And personally, I would like to see this. I hope that this will happen. From that standpoint, moving stop to the break-even will give us the opportunity to join this party to the upside particularly without no risk. Now that's the major setup and major scenario that I would like to monitor and will be monitored on the euro currency on Monday. So let's see what will happen in reality.